Example 4. If 1,000 linking cubes were combined to make a giant cube, what is the area of each face of the giant cube? So in this example, we're going to be talking about a couple of different things here now. So if we look at just the dimensions across the front, we refer to that as an edge. When we look at one complete side, we look at that and we consider that a face of the cube. So if we look at this particular question, they want to know what the area of each face is. Well, since it is a cube, we know it has 6 faces, and all 6 of those faces are going to be equal. So our question is, what is the area of one face of this giant cube? They told us that there are 1,000 linking cubes. So if we have 1,000 linking cubes to make up that complete cube, we know that the volume of the cube is 1,000 units. We also know that since it is a cube, all of the sides are the same. So the height, the length, and the width are all equal, which means the volume can be found by taking an edge and cubing it. So our formula then becomes 1,000 is equal to our edge cubed. In order to find the edge, we want to know what number multiplied by itself 3 times is going to give me 1,000. In other words, if I'm given the volume, I can find the edge by taking the cubed root of the volume. So my edge now will be the cubed root of 1,000. And the cubed root of 1,000 is 10. So the edge length here is 10. If I'm looking for the area of this face, well, this face is two-dimensional. The area of the face is going to be length multiplied by width. And since it's a cube and all of the edge lengths are 10, the area of the face is going to be 10 multiplied by 10, which is 100 square units. Moving on to part B. A cube has a volume of 4,913 cubic inches. So let's jot that down as we're thinking about this question. We know it's a cube. We know now how to find the edge length given the volume. But in this question, we're asked, what is the surface area? So there's our second big idea. The surface area, if we remember, a cube has 6 faces. And since it's a cube, all of those faces are equal. So if we want to find surface area of the cube, I need 6 multiplied by the area of one face. That's our job today. So if we're given the volume is 4,913 cubic inches, remember to find the edge. We're going to take the cubed root of the volume. The cubed root of 4,913. So take a second there, grab your calculator, find your cubed root button, and type the cubed root of 4,913. And you should find the calculator will give you an answer of 17. So if we think about our picture, that means each of these edge lengths are 17. Remember, our question said, what is the surface area of the cube? So all we found so far is the edge length. We need to look at now the area of one face. So our next job is to find the area of one face. So if we look at one side of our cube, it has dimensions 17 by 17. So take a second, grab your calculator. We want 17 squared, or remember you can do 17 multiplied by 17. And you should get an answer of 289 square inches. However, we're still not finished. That's the area of one face. So the surface area of the entire cube is 6 multiplied by the area of the face. So our calculation now is 6 multiplied by 289. So on your calculator, you should get a total surface area of 1,734. Remember, our unit is inches, and because it's an area, it will be inches squared.